This year in our 8th grade science class, we have been studying life in the places they live. With water being about 70% of the earth, it is an ecosystem for many organisms. Water is the most important substance on earth. The human body consists of 2/3 water and is essential to life. A mere 2% decrease in water can result in dehydration. It is important that our water is pollutant-free and treated properly. Living in Pittsburgh, is our water up to par? How does our water get treated? What should the community understand and be aware of to make sure our water stays clean? We are going to address these questions and more. Stay tuned. Water is a renewable resource and it goes through a cycle. Water evaporates and condenses to form clouds. Once the condensed water droplets get heavy, they fall to the ground in the form of precipitation. When this water runs across the surface and through the ground, it picks up waste material and debris along the way. If we aren't careful, these pollutants could end up in our clean water.
This year, our 8th grade took a field trip to Phillips Park and studied water samples, our local watersheds, and how the surrounding area affects the water. A watershed is an area of land where all of the water that is under it or on top of it drains into the same place. The 9 Mile Run is a watershed that collects surface runoff from the Phillips Park area. The 9 Mile Run then takes this water and empties it into the Monongahela River, which connects with the Ohio and Allegheny River at the point in Pittsburgh. Since bodies of water connect, it is important that we are aware what is getting into our water system. Is Pittsburgh's water clean? A study started in 2013 by Duquesne University showing that surrounding bodies of water in the Pittsburgh area had high levels of sodium and acid mine drainage. Other studies have shown that there are traces of sewage in our rivers due to city using CSOs or combined sewer systems. With a combined sewer system, sewage runs through the same pipes that our clean water does. Large amounts of rain can cause these pipes to overflow, causing contaminated water to get into our rivers and streams. So it is important that we monitor, treat, and do our best to preserve Pittsburgh's water.
What is being done to clean Pittsburgh's water? Alcosan provides wastewater treatment for the city of Pittsburgh. Its 59 acres treatment plant is one of the largest wastewater facilities in the Ohio River Valley, processing up to 250 million gallons of wastewater daily. When it rains or snow melts, excess water can overload the sewer system, resulting in sewage overflowing into areas such as creeks, streams, and rivers. This flow also carries pollutants from untreated sewage as well as grit and debris found on littering roadways. In Pittsburgh, sewage water from our homes is collected in storm drains. Interceptor sewers help to transfer water into pump stations. Wastewater passes through 3/4 bar screens, which collect leaves, styrofoam, rags, and other solids from the raw sewage. Wastewater then passes into the grit chambers where its velocity is reduced and grit is able to be removed. At this point, various chemicals and microorganisms are introduced to the water to make sure the water is clean for household use.
We don't know what the future of water treatment will look like in Pittsburgh, but as a community we need to keep making strides for clean water as we move forward. Water plays a big part in history and development of our city, and everyone needs to do their part to preserve it.